What's up, guys? It's Trainboy10689. So unfortunately I can't get my lawnmower to start because but I can just show it to you. It's a lawnmower check, and this is for Brandon and Mac RC, and it's a request by Breadstick. And this here is a CC30E, and yeah, and this runs on electric. Meaning it runs on batteries. And here's the manufacturer, Cub Cadet. So yeah. And yes, I did name it. The name is Yellow Jacket. The reason why we named him Yellow Jacket is because of the paint job is yellow. Or he looks like a yellow jacket, to be honest. That's how we got that nickname. So yeah. Sorry for this being short, but if you do enjoy it, make sure you like and subscribe. So yeah.